I sent this set of 5 pairs of stud earrings to check out for you. These look super pretty and I love that the backs are flat, so we're gonna check them out together. Here are the 5 sizes next to each other. So you have the 7mm, 6, 5, 4, and 3mm. I love that there's such a variety of sizes in this set and they are all so beautiful. These are cubic zirconia and stainless steel, and even on the back there's a little cubic zirconia in there, which is so cute. The backs are twist on and off. So personally I think that this is going to be great for sleeping because I don't have to worry about them falling off in the night. I also have sensitive ears, so I love that they're stainless steel. This is the 7mm on me. I am a gaudy earring girl, so that is probably the size I would wear, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the 3mm on, which is the smallest size, just to try out for you. All right, so here is the 3mm. You can see it's much smaller, but it's just a little statement piece. I also feel like it would work great if you had additional holes up top. You could even stagger them from largest to smallest, which would be super cute. Overall, I love these. I think they're beautiful, especially the 7mm. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the other ear and keep these ones on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.